Welcome back to this course. In the last class, I basically showed you how to register for a free Google Cloud Platform account that enables you to have access to Bigquery. Now, in this section, basically, we will go through just a little bit around the environment. We wouldn't really do so much, but the whole idea is just to play with the environment and get used to the environment. And yeah, so let's just do it. So yeah, you see, like, here you have like a lot of maybe like they have a lot of product that is available for Google Cloud Platform. And in this section, you could see like some of these products are already pinned. Actually, we have more products here, but then we have decided, I mean, it's like on a default, it's already pinned to like the most used part of it. So, and this is where we're actually coming, the BigQuery. But in between, we could also see like we have like different projects. You have like default, my first project. You could also come here and create a new project, and every project you create has like a project ID and all this kind of things. We won't go too much into the details of the cloud platform itself, because then we are much more interested in SQL. And so basically we can just go straight to BigQuery now. Now, because there is a new version at the time of this recording that, basically we kind of try to give you a quick guide across the new version and what the new features are. But ultimately, we wouldn't really place so much concern on that. Here you see like, this is like, like in BigQuery, the store the datasets in folders. So this is like a folder basically. And so basically you can expand it. But this folder at the moment doesn't have any data set at all. So we just basically we don't have anything to do with it. I mean, all these other parts you do not need for now. I mean, maybe you could need at some point, like for instance, this is just data transfers. And also like this is schedule queries, but I mean for our level, we don't really need. For data transfer, you're just trying to connect with maybe an API, something like this, but for now we do not need this. So here we are also looking at schedule queries. Schedule queries is when you write a query that basically you want to always like update, I mean get the latest version of it, then you use a short schedule query for that. And then here we could just start a new project, just so that we have a new project. So here we just come and try we don't have any organization here, so basically we can just create, right? And then we have our new project, right? And then from here we have like two projects. So this is the new project. This is my project 94677. I mean, it could be anything in your side as well. So yeah, I think this is like the basic environment of BigQuery. And then we could in the next class we could actually deep dive and try to now start connecting the dots together and looking for the free datasets. Thank you.